Peace, Shaw Mills, the barber. About to give my brother, my mentor, Heath Bailey of Global Brothers Podcast and one of the authors of Going Global, the worldwide book, Taper Transformation. We'll be back with the before and after. Yes, peace, good people. Like I said, my brother and my mentor, Heath Bailey. Shouts out to Marlon. They got the dopest podcast ever, Global Brothers Podcast. And also Heath is one of the authors of the book, Going Global. You can find that on Amazon.com. He'll get more into it. All right, but in the meantime, watch this transformation, and we'll be back. Peace, Heath. What's good, brother?
What's up?
How you, man?
What's up?
You got a fist bump, to keep it keep it sterile. Yeah. So, man, I was telling my people, man, about you. You've been like a mentor to me since I've been out here, since my stay in the UAE for about going on 5 years.
Zion, you know that. Man.
Oh man, appreciate it. So, they probably know you. I know they know you from Global Brothers Podcast and Going Global, the worldwide book. Just tell them a little bit about that and where they can get it from, man.
Yeah, Going Global is a collaboration of 10 brothers who mostly lived in the Middle East. And many were educators. Some was in the military. We had a student as well. And we got together and shared our stories, man. It's pretty much a one chapter a piece memoir, short stories, short reflections of our journey.
Yeah.
Of Going Global.
Yeah.
So it was pretty nice. You can get that on Amazon.com.
Okay.
The official title is Going Global, The Life-Changing Experiences of 10 Courageous Black Men.
All right.
So it was a pretty good read.
Word. And then tell them about the Going Global platform, because I remember when you told me about it, it was just an idea. Podcast. I'm sorry. Podcast. And when you told me about it, it was just a thought. Now it's out there, man. Tell them about it.
I put that out there in the universe probably around 2014.
Mm-hmm.
And then I hit you up around 2016,
Yeah.
2017.
Yeah.
Then I met a brother, very, very talented, multi-talented brother named Marlon Ware, who I threw it at him and he caught it and we ran with it.
Shouts out to him, of course.
Yeah, the dandy, man.
Yeah, the dandy. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we started filming last April. Our first episode was the White Party.
I saw that. I saw that. I'm subscribed, by the way.
Yeah,
so.
No doubt. Yeah, you're a big supporter, man. We got a lot of supporters in the Middle East. We did our analytics, and 37% of our viewers are from here.
Nice.
And the other 60 are from around the world. 60% are from around the world. So we have about 25 shows so far in 1 year.
Nice.
Episodes. And they're all...
That's work.
Range from media, entertainment, influencers, social conscious, people with great stories that are living global and prospering. So.
Okay, so let them know the Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all that stuff.
The Going Global book on Facebook, Going Global on at Going Global on Instagram for the book. And then Global Brothers Podcast on YouTube is our channel. Global Brothers Podcast on Instagram.
Cool.
At Global Brothers Podcast on Instagram.
All right, so now we're about to get in this transformation, man. What we doing, man? I see you grew it out a little bit.
Yeah, man. We're gonna go back down a little bit, man.
Okay, so we're gonna do wavelength with the taper.
Yeah, Temple Fade. Yeah.
Temple Fade.
Yeah.
All right,
we'll just lighten the back.
Okay, we'll be back with the after.
Right.
All right, so here we got the after, man. Hey, if you feel lighter, man.
All done, man. I feel blessed, man. I feel new right now, bro.
Got that tape. Let's go around the back. Got that ball tape. Temp Fade. Yes, sir.
Blessings from Mill.
Hey, man, blessings from you, brother.
Shout out to everybody. Hope everybody's getting through all that we have to get through.
Yes,
and we
sir.
will get through it.
Yes, sir. We can breathe.
No doubt. We can breathe.
We can.
Yeah. You know what I mean? We've been breathing, right?
Yep.
So, you know, stay up, stay strong, man. You know, our ancestors did it. We got to do it.
That's
Period.
right.
You know
That's
what I mean?
right.
So, peace.
Yes, sir. Peace. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And like I said, go check out Global Brothers Podcast on YouTube and Instagram. Who's next?